Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn Lumion introduction. What is exactly Lumion software? What are the uses of Lumion software? So mainly Lumion is used for rendering and again we can do the landscaping in Lumion. So learn about that. So this is the interface for the Lumion software, and now here it is a version of Lumion. So this is 12.5 I'm going to use. So here whenever you will open the Lumion software, this user interface will appear. So in this, first it is the create new, next example and benchmark. So one by one we are going to learn this. So create new means whenever you are starting the new project or new modeling or new landscaping, anything if you want to do the new project at that time you have to select the create new option. And if you want to check the example and if you want to learn settings or if you want to copy the settings from the example, in that case you can open the examples. Already the examples they have given in Lumion to learn who is a beginner who want to learn who want to update themselves by using this setting. They can go from this example. And benchmark, it indicates how much GB graphics card you are having. Accordingly the benchmark it will appear. Now I'm having 8 GB RTX speed, so that it is showing like 71%. And then next here we are having option of load. Load means whatever project you have done already, you have opened, that we can reload or we can reopen by using the load option. And then here we can save the drawing, and again if you want to do the further changes for that drawing you can go by the save as. So let's start one by one. First we will go for from the example. So I'll select the example option. Now you can see we are having so many examples here. So what we can do in that, suppose if you are beginner, if you don't know anything about the Lumion render settings, or if you are confused, in that case what you can I suggest you to go first through the examples. Why? Because here you will get the ideas about the render settings. Now whether it is, now here you can see it is a beach house, streetscape, again here glass house. And again see, by seeing this example only you can easily identify which type of render it is. Now here it is interior with sunlight, again here it is interior render, here exterior evening render they have shown, here it is like day render. Likewise, now here it is ice something winter type of render. Here it is rainy season. Likewise, you can imagine and you can select those example and you can copy the render setting. Already I have uploaded one video on that, how to copy the render setting from the example and you can paste it for your project. So I'll open any one example, you can get the idea. Suppose this glass house I will open. So in example, so much things we can learn, and it is very much interesting part in the Lumion. So what you can do, suppose if you are confused about the settings, and you can copy the those setting and you can paste easily and no need to give the render setting further for that, and you can reuse for your further project. So now this is the example what I have opened now. So if you will go for photo, whatever scene they have set already, that will appear in this. Yeah, as you can see here, see. So here we go. Now this is a night render. Again, you can see this is a night render. This is a day interior render. This is exterior render. Accordingly, you can select which type of render you want. Now this is a rain, little rain effect they have given. Suppose if I want night render, and you can click here. See, then you can go for effects here, menu, select copy effect list, and then you can open that particular project and you can paste all the effect list. Once if you will copy the effect list, all whatever settings, it will get copy for your project, and you can paste for the further project. So this is the advantage, and you can learn so many things by uh, using the example. Again, if you will go for movie option, you will get see multiple scenes in that movie, as already they have. So one I'll play, you'll get idea. So second one, again you can see the sun direction, it is changing. That animation they have shown in this. Again, next animation is night interior, as you can see. So this is the use of example. You can learn much in the from the example. So this is a build mode. You can go through those project. You can learn so much thing. First, whenever you will install the Lumion software, first you learn example correctly, uh, and then you go for the project. And next, and if you don't want to copy or anything, you can escape and you can go for further save and load project you have to do. Next, uh, after example, we are having load. Load project means, see, whatever project you have done, accordingly you can select. Suppose now page 2, 3, 4, likewise. Any one which you want to re-render or any modification you want to do, that project you can select automatically. It will get open. Suppose if I will select this, you have to double click over there. That project will open in the Lumion software. Now it's loading. It will take little time to open. You just wait for that. Now you can see the project has opened here. So next basic thing in Lumion is how to uh, rotate, how to drag, how to move the model, that I'll show. So here mainly we are having four keys. D for to move right, A for to move left, W for to move forward, S for to move backward. Again, to move upward side, E key you have to press, and to move downward side, Q key. These six key are very important. Again, to move left, right, forward, backward, you can use arrow key. Right arrow key for right hand side, left for left to move left, and front key arrow key for the move forward, and back key for to move backward. Again, to move up and down, E for up, Q for down. I hope you have understand. Just to practice for those key, you will get idea. Next, to move whole screen, or to you have to press right click on the mouse and then hold the right key and then drag. Automatically the whole screen will rotate. Middle button of mouse you have to hold and you have to drag, that will use as a pan button. Again, to move forward backward you can use this uh, scroll button of mouse. You have to scroll forward and backward to move the screen. So this is the basic thing in Lumion. You can go through this and you can practice. Next, we have learned how to load project. Then we have learned few things in example, how to copy the settings and what are the uses of example things. Next, again, I'll go for save and load project, and then you have to go for the create new. So once if you will go for the create new, here the template it will come. Now plain environment, beach environment, accordingly which you want you have to select. Suppose I suggest you have very much less graphics card like 2 GB, 4 GB, then you always go for the plain environment, because if you will select any forest, desert, tropical environment, maybe the chance of getting load for the rendering time. So To avoid that error or to avoid that thing, we have to use only plain environment. It will be very good for your render. Why? Because we are having so much thing to do in Lumion. We can do the landscaping, we can add them trees, mountain, we can create anything, we can um do the further changes whatever except the model that we can do manually by using the Lumion. So no need to select this environment. So you go for always plain environment. So this is the when you will start the new project, at that time the template we have to select. Suppose now I'll select the plain environment. So automatically the Lumion user interface, it will get open whenever you will start the new project. Now you can see the our new drawing has opened. So this is a plain environment, whatever I have selected. Now you can see only we are having grass and sky. So this is called as the plain environment. Now, as I told, we have to go from this key: left, right, forward, backward, again up, down. Likewise, you have to check. So here, this is the what our drawing area, or we can call it as a whatever area we have to utilize in the Lumion. Next, here it is called as the build mode. Again, here we have to set the scene by using photo option. Then after that, this is the animation. We can create movie. And next, now here it is home button. And here you have to select the import model or imported whatever models. If you double click, you can go for new model, SketchUp, Revit architecture, whatever 3D model we are if we have, that we can import by using this option. So next, already these models I have imported, that again we can add to your project. Next, here we are having materials. Again here landscaping. By using this landscaping, we can create hill, mountain. Again we can make it smoother, flatten. Again water, we can create ocean, river. Again we can give paint, we can create road. Again we can give grass. And after material we are having this landscape, and in material we are having much to do in that. So one by one we will learn. So I hope you have understand this basic introduction, what is Lumion. And again here it is a weather. We can adjust the weather, sun direction like this, whether you want here night or day. Accordingly, we can set the sun direction by using the environment. Again, sun brightness, you can see cloudiness, how much you want. So Lumion, it is very much interesting software. You have to learn this. If you are new, please go and check my whatever previous video I have already uploaded on the my YouTube channel. Again, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment. As well, you can follow my Instagram page. If any doubt, you can ask me there also. You can DM me and keep watching my videos. And further videos I'll post soon. You can go through those videos. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.